In this example, we're going to find the area of a sector of a circle, in particular a circle with radius 2 feet, and I want to look at the sector that's formed by an angle of 30 degrees. So I'm going to sketch a picture. I am a visual learner and pictures help me a lot. So I have a radius here of 2 feet. And don't forget your units, they're really important in problems like this. And I want to look at the area of a sector formed by an angle of 30 degrees. So what I want is to know how much space is right here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is use the area formula for a sector of a circle, which is area equals 1/2 times the radius squared times the angle theta, but theta must be in radians. So the first thing that I need to do is actually convert my angle from degrees to radians. Again, it has to be in radians to even use this formula. So first we're going to convert 30 degrees, I need it in radians, so 180 degrees versus pi radians. I'm going to get, degrees will cancel, I'm left with radians, 30 pi over 180. Simplify that number. Pi over 6 radians. Okay, so we're going to use this measurement instead of this. It's the same quantity, just different units. So the area of this sector is going to be 1/2 times the radius squared, and our radius is 2 feet. Okay, times the angle theta in radians. So pi over 6 radians. And then we just need to multiply. So I have 1/2 times 2 squared times pi over 6 So the area of this sector is pi over 3, but you can't forget your units. So the units are going to be right here, feet, and remember you squared them. So in the end, your units are feet squared, okay? This is an area, so it's going to be square centimeter, square foot, square meter. It's always going to be the unit squared because it's an area. But that unit depends on your radius. So in this example, again, you just use the area formula for the sector of a circle, which you can find in your textbook. You have to have your angle in radians, so if it's given to you in degrees, you must convert. Then you just plug those values in and simplify.